Welcome to Daily Driver, the brokest automotive channel on YouTube. Today we're here to talk XJ skid plate, specifically the front steering. So it's the same 84 to 01 as well as the transfer case you see here. It came as part of both an individual package and the upmarket. It also came with a gas tank, not pictured. That changed after the refresh in 97. Often they rust out. This is so-so. This is useful up to a 3-inch lift to protect the steering components under here, your alternator, and generally it's a decent idea. They're not that hard to find. I'm going to show you how to install it today on this XJ.
First, I cleaned up the skid plate with a wire brush and gave it a fresh coat of black paint. I used this Rust-Oleum semi-gloss for a lot of underbody stuff. It's super cheap, sets up thick and strong, and available everywhere. Only downside is long set time. Add some awesome blue for branding, and the part is ready for install. 3 of the front holes line up with 3 threaded inserts in the body. Each side uses another threaded insert. Passenger has 2 more holes. You'll need a nut as well as bolts. For hardware, I used grade 8 5/16 18 and 3/8 16 bolts from Lowe's and some washers and split lock washers. Look at the crazy plating on this piece. Don't forget anti-seize, the herpes of the mechanic's filth. Depending on your sway bar bracket setup, there may be interference. Nothing a stack of washers and a bench grinder can't fix. The sides can be a little tricky to align. Clarkson, you mongrel! Of course, this did nothing, and a gentle spanner against the sway bar got the holes to line up.